Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a dark mode and a light mode to your Google site. So yeah, by the end of this, visitors can switch themes with just one click. Let's jump right in. So first thing, go ahead and open the site you want to customize. Make sure you're in the editing view, not the published version. Next, click the gear icon up in the top right corner. This opens your site settings, and we'll need that to get things ready. All right, now scroll down to the section labeled Custom Code. We're going to add a small script here that creates the theme switcher. Don't worry, yeah, it's super simple. Just paste your dark mode and light mode CSS along with the toggle button script. After the code is added, you'll need a button on the site that users can click. So, add a text box or an embed block and insert the little theme toggle snippet. This is what switches between dark and light mode instantly. Now hit preview at the top. You should see the toggle button. Yeah, right there. Click it and watch your site flip between dark and light styles. If something looks off, just go back and tweak your CSS. And once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your changes. Your visitors can now choose whichever theme they prefer, super clean and super modern. And that's how you add dark mode and light mode to any Google site. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more quick Google tutorials. And thanks for watching.